Sometimes the trees, they call me like an old friend. I'll be inside just sitting, and I get the call. Here she is talking. Two mighty trunks will fall together, shaking the forest far beyond their reach. Winds will change not softly, but sudden, carrying news that will bend the branches of every heart. She's busy talking today. This is a serious tone. The ground will split in a place of great gathering, and the world will watch in silence. Oh man, she had a lot to say today. Oh, more. An unexpected union will change the map, and the roots of power will tremble. Girl. What is that? Aw, thank you. An unseen hand is guiding a gift toward the world. It will arrive quietly, then blossom loud.